Have you ever noticed how watching clouds can make your whole spirit unclench? That isn't silly, and it isn't just nostalgia. Your brain may actually be responding to something deeply restorative. Psychologists call it soft fascination, the kind of attention nature holds without demanding too much from you. Unlike screens, traffic, and stress, clouds don't shout. They drift, they invite, they let your overworked mind rest while still giving it something gentle to follow. Research on nature exposure shows this kind of experience can support attention, reduce stress, and improve emotional well-being. Sky-rich views are often rated as especially restorative, and moments of awe can make us feel less trapped inside our worries and more connected to something bigger than the chaos of the day. So when you look up and watch those slow shapes changing, your mind is not doing nothing. It may be releasing pressure. It may be resetting. It may be remembering that not every thought deserves a throne. Try this today. Step outside for 1 minute, soften your jaw, drop your shoulders, and follow one cloud without rushing it. Then tell me, my treasures, when you look at the sky, what do you feel leaving your body first? Stress, sadness, anger, or noise? I'm so proud of your growth. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Now go practice your cloud gazing homework. Keep up the awesome work on your inner healing.